In this video, I will show you how you can get super high score in Block Blast. So first of all, plan ahead. Always look at the available blocks and think a few moves ahead. This will help you place blocks more efficiently and avoid getting stuck. 2 is clear multiple lines. Aim to clear more than one line at a time. This not only gives you more points, but also create more space for new blocks. Also avoid gaps. Try not to leave isolated gaps as they can make it difficult to place future blocks. Filling gaps should be a priority. 4. Use power-ups wisely. If the game offers power-ups, use them strategically to clear difficult sessions or to create combos. The last one is practice regularly. Like any game, practice makes perfect. The more you play, the better you will get at recognizing patterns and making quick decisions. So this was the guide of how you can get super high score in Block Blast.